Hello everyone, welcome to the Cloud Network channel. In this video, I'm going to show you about the Instagram new feature that's called a treats. In the previously video, I have shown you about the new feature release, that's a restrictions mode of the user, and for the comment who you are putting that will harmful you, so you can restrict it, you can do whatever you want. So in the previous video I have shown you. Now in this video, the traits that has been launched, so for that one, let me show you how it will work. Before that one, you need to go to the Play Store and you need to just type the Instagram, okay, and just search for the treats here. You will not get the treats in Instagram here, but you need to search exactly about the Instagram treats, okay. Upon searching, you will be find treats here on the last one, or like you, if you type also Instagram threads also, it will not come. Like I have typed it here also, but this is also not working directly. The Instagram threads apps not showing. Slowly you need to check the exact app, okay? Maybe some of the fake apps, some of the apps that has been releases by unknown source also has been developed the same app, but you need to be sure check for the Instagram which has been developed, okay. So for that one, here is the treat from Instagram is there, which has been developed by Instagram itself only. So please be checked before downloading this app, because it has been developed by Instagram only. About this app, if I click, you can see this about the version is there, and releases the update on 2nd October is there. Then it's updated on, and then you can see this about the message close your friends will now appear in treats, but you still have to access them on Instagram. So these are the some of the few things, 5 things about the releases in the treats. So you need to download this app, and then you can see the reviews also. Developer contacts also is there, the last year one is there. Developer contact here is there, we can see the Instagram is email ID is there, okay. Let's open that app, okay. And upon welcoming the here, if you have a multiple account, it will be asked to switch the account. If you have a single account, means you can continue with that one. So like my previously showing, these are my pickups people is there, which have already selected this one close to my chart is there, close to my list, you can see. So I am done. If anything is left, means you can add it, okay. And now you can see the people who message you the most directly on the camera. So you can tap on that profile and you can do, or also you can skip that one. So I'm just selecting this done, and like up and drag and drop also is option is coming here, okay. Like I have done just now, drag and drop and continue. Here is auto status there. Let's close your friends, no, that has been. If you have not added your friends into the close friend list, you can add also. In previously, auto stitch is there, which you can turn on. And if you have a phone hanging also, problem come during that turn on. So I'm just turning out. You can see in order to update also, you must allow treats to access your location, which I am going to cancel this right now. I don't want to have put out, no. So I'm just clicking on done. So you are all set here, you can see the map. And like you can see the recording allowance also, you need to allow that one. So this is the 4 things it will be asking. And like you can see, this is my app is there. If I click on my friend list, like it will be directly sent to that one. You can view, you can replay, you can keep in chart like that. And here is there a text is there, which you can add the text. And like the same thing, it's a classic things is there, which you can see. Camera rotation is there, flash and home button is there, which I will show you about that one. This is the click picture is there, which you can click on. Downloading processing is there, photo save is there, which is similar is there. And this one is like the text you want to write something, you want to give, okay. So like I'm just canceling here, and I'm clicking on home button is there, okay. So here you can see this is my inbox is there. Actually this is called inbox, which you can chat and read the messages there about the users. And like you can see, this is the close friend list is there, which I've selected, you can also do again. And here one more is there, customize camera status is there, which I just now told you. Auto status is there, which you need to I need to turn on the location, it would automatically show up. Okay, so in this way, like create groups, hidden groups, themes, save original photos, privacy, logout is the settings. So this is about that one. So like about the status is there, which you can see chilling. So this is about the all the app about that one. So I'm just closing that one. So if you have any problem, you can comment below to my video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Cloud Network channel.